Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix slow download speed on your Steam. So if you're having trouble or if you're downloading an app from your Steam and it is really slow and the process is really slow, you can do these steps or processes to possibly fix that. So let's get on it. The first one that you can do is to check for internet issues. So before blaming the Steam client, ensure your internet connection isn't slow and causing Steam to take longer than usual to download your games. So testing your connection speed is the best way to confirm that. You can test your connection on any speed test website. Next, what you can do is to ensure Steam has adequate bandwidth. To begin with, you should allocate as much bandwidth as possible to the Steam app. You can do that by temporarily closing other downloads running in parallel. Closing resource hogging browsers, double check that you are not streaming any content, and shutting down any apps that use the internet. You can use the task manager or you can type in Control-Shift-Escape to identify which processes are taking up the most network resources. Look into the network column and then close any non-essential apps that are taking up a lot of data. Next, what you can do is to disable Windows metered connection. So Windows offered a metered connection options for users to limit their own bandwidth usage. Even though it helps save data if you're under cap, it can limit how apps use the available bandwidth. As such, a metered connection might slow down your downloads on Steam. So you can go ahead and follow the process or the steps that you are seeing right now. You can pause this video and follow the steps on your own time. Next one that you can do is to disable your VPN. Your VPN's encryption and protocol and your distance to the server can drastically affect your internet speed. Therefore, if you access the Steam client with your VPN enabled, your game may take a long time to download. Thus, it might not be worth disabling the VPN and see if that helps. Next one is to ensure Steam isn't limiting its own bandwidth. So Steam allows users to limit its bandwidth to give more room for other apps to use the internet. Although it is convenient, you should turn off this limit if you want to speed up the download. And as usual, you can always follow the steps right here that you can see and just press on and pause this video and follow the steps at your own time. Next one and the last one is to clear download cache in your Steam. So like many apps, Steam keeps temporary download data in a download cache. So if it gets clogged up, it can affect Steam performance, block the app from running properly, and slow down your downloads. Thus, clearing it might speed up your downloads again. However, be careful if you've downloaded many mods. Performing these steps will erase them. As such, you might want to skip this if you've downloaded mods recently. So to clear that Steam's download cache, just follow the steps that you can see right now. So go ahead, you can pause this and follow the steps on your screen and follow it on your own time. So just remember that after clearing the download cache on your Steam, just go ahead and relaunch the app. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you and have a great day.